Hi everyone, this is Victoria Fashion and welcome back to my channel. This is my first makeup tutorial that I have done in such a long time. I actually got a lot of inspiration from Sandman. In case you don't know what Sandman is, it's a graphic novel series by Neil Gaiman, and it is part of the DC universe, and this is inspired by one of his characters, and her name is Death. Death is an inspiration from somebody who used to be part of the goth community. Unfortunately, she passed away some time ago, and her name is Cinnamon Hadley. So yeah, this is a sort of an inspiration of her makeup. So yeah, now to the tutorial. I already went ahead and applied my foundation and my powder onto my face already. I'm gonna go ahead and start off this tutorial using a angle brush alongside with a NYX liquid eyeliner. I go ahead and use my liquid eyeliner from NYX and apply it onto my eyebrows, draw a line of the shape of my brows, then grab the angle brush and start filling out my eyebrows. I do this method so I could still obtain that matte-like finish that I used to obtain when I didn't have any eyebrows, and the hairs are my brow hairs are less noticeable. I'm gonna go now and prep my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a palette from Morpheus. I believe it was the Plum palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush and start from the outer corner of my eyes and start blending it inward towards the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and use this magenta toned eyeshadow as a base. I am now using a black eyeshadow, and again I'm doing the same process. I'm going to start with my outer outer lid, then work my way up to the crease of the inner lid of my eyes. White eyeshadow from Kat Von D and apply it onto my brow bone. Now I'm using this NYX liquid eyeliner. I'm starting this cat eye from the outer corner, drawing a straight line, and then start connecting it from back to my eyelid and start filling in the wing. I'm going to continue applying liquid eyeliner onto my eyelid. And now what I'm doing, I'm filling out the waterline, the inner corner, and making another big, as I filled out my inner corner of inner lid and drawn out my inner corner and extended it all the way towards my waterline. Be careful with this process. I do suggest to use a pen-like liquid eyeliner to ensure you don't make any mistakes. This part is very meticulous, so be careful. You are prone to messing up. Extend that eyeliner longer. You're gonna draw your swirl. Then I'm applying this jumbo eyeliner I bought at the beauty store. I'm going to go back to using my Morphe palette and using a cool tone shadow and apply it onto my cheekbones to give it more dimension, as well as my jawline and my nose. I'm applying setting powder so I can make my contour stand out a lot more. I am applying eyelashes, 301 if you're interested in purchasing similar eyelashes like mine. Now my face looks snatched. This step is very unconventional, but I tend to use liquid eyeliner to draw out my lips. Again, I am sorry for being out of frame. I didn't realize this till I was editing the video. I'm topping it off with one of my favorite shades from ColourPop. It is called LAX, and it is probably one of my favorite liquid lipsticks out there. So I'm filling it out with liquid eyeliner, and that's it. There you go. Okay, everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe on my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!